till 20 was covered? 20.
Till 20, right? So from 21 we will start today. So let's see here in some questions we will use that identities that we have learned yesterday, okay? And some more new concepts, so I am writing here. Question number 21. If tan theta is equals to P upon Q, then find the value of P times sin theta minus Q time of cos theta divided by P sin theta plus Q cos theta. Okay, this is a question. No problem. Okay, this is a simple thing. So what is given here? Tan theta is given. So I told you about that whenever any ratio is given. Okay, so first draw the triangle and find the third side. Okay, then find other ratios that is asked in the question. Okay, so you see that how we will solve this. Tan theta is given here. So first we draw this triangle. Okay, this is our theta and we can mark it ABC. This is the right triangle. So tan theta, do you have any idea about this trigonometry? Have you learned it or not? You are not attending the online class as well? Huh?
I don't get that.
Okay. So first thing is that you have to watch all the videos that I have uploaded. Okay, from the basic. I think one video I have uploaded, one I will upload more. So that in that videos your concept will be clear, and I have also tried to make you understand here as well. Okay, so let's see here. This is triangle ABC and the value of tan theta is given. So I told you one table. Okay. With the help of this table you can find all 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, I told you the method to learn this many things in a sequence like Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. This is the sequence to learn, or you can also make your own sequence or mnemonics. The thing is that you can learn it easily. It is in your fingertips. Okay, just like what is tan theta. So I told you about this is sine, this is cos, this one is tan theta, and this is cos sec and cot. So this is a very basic table of trigonometry. Trigonometry start from this. Okay, so this is tan theta. So from these values are from top to bottom, and these values are from bottom to top. So this is tan theta given here in this question. So this is equals to P upon B, perpendicular upon base. So in this triangle, this is the theta we are considering here. We are not considering here theta. So according to this theta, this is the base. AB is the base of this triangle. So base is P. The value of base is P here. And what is this? P upon B. So according to this is the tan theta is P upon B. Okay. So this is theta according to this is the base, but this is the perpendicular. So this is P and this is Q. Okay, first of all we have written the given values. Okay, tan theta is P upon B. So according to this is the perpendicular, the value of perpendicular, and this is the value of base. So base we have written here. Okay, so we have to find this third side with the help of Pythagoras theorem that I told you. So what is that? Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, so these two things we have discussed. Okay, these are the very basic things. So with the help of this, we will find this value of AC. So AC square is equals to base means Q square plus perpendicular is already P. So AC will be under root Q square plus P square. Okay, so this is the value of AC. So we have to write this here under root Q square plus P square. So now the triangle is completed. Okay, all 3 sides we have calculated. Now see the question. This is the question. So according to this, we have to find the value of other trigonometric ratios. Like here we have used sine and cos. Sine and cos. So first of all, we will find the value of sine theta and cos theta, right? So according to this triangle, sine theta, first we know that the value of sine theta is P upon H. Okay, from this table. This we will see from this table. This is first sine theta. Sine theta is P upon H. P upon H we have written here. And now from this triangle we have to find P upon H. Fine. So P is P and H is here under root Q square plus P square. Right? So this is the value of sine theta. Now what is the other trigonometric ratio here? Cos. So we will find cos as well. So cos theta is B upon H. See here, this is cos, so B upon H. So what is the value of base here? Q and under root Q square plus P square. Fine. So now we will put these values in this question, then we will solve this. Okay, so I am writing here P time sine theta. So value of sine theta is P upon under root Q square plus P square minus Q time cos theta. So cos theta is Q upon under root Q square plus P square divided by P sine theta, again the same values, only the sign is changed. So P into P upon Q square plus P square plus Q into Q upon under root Q square plus P square. Okay, so only we have put the values according to the question. Now we will solve this. So see here, P into P is P square minus Q square, and this is the LCM here, Q square minus Q square plus P square. And now it will be, see here, it is this is dividing here, so it will multiply it, so this will come here, Q square plus P square here, and in the denominator it will be P square plus Q square. So these two terms will cancel out, and the final answer will be P square minus Q square divided by P square plus Q square. So this is the final answer. Okay, so any confusion you can ask.
I can shorter.
Huh?
I can shorter way.
What?
Very short way.
This is short way.
More short way.
First you have to see all the concept that I told you, na? For entrance basis, so we'll do some other things for that.
Solution only. That tan theta is equal to sine upon cos.
This one?
Tan theta is equal to sine upon cos. The sine is equal to P and cos is equal to Q.
Tan theta is sine upon cos.
Yes, is equal to P by Q. Sine is equal to P, cos is equal to
To know how this is possible, be? How this is possible? These are the ratios, na?
Yes.
These are equals to this. So their cross multiplication are equal according to this. Sin theta into Q is equals to P into cos theta. This is the mathematical relation. How can we say this equals to this? Suppose this is 2 by 3 equals to x by 5. Okay, there is the equation. It means this whole equal to this. We can't say numerator equals to numerator, denominator equals to denominator, 3 is equals to 5. How? What is the logic behind it? So there is a ratio actually. There is a ratio. So if we convert this, one more method we can do, but not like this. We can't compare like this, this equals to this. No. How? See here, the value of sin theta is different. We have calculated the value of sin theta is P upon this. And according to this, the sin theta is P, so it's not possible. Understood? So we have changed this into sin by cos, but it doesn't mean that this equals to this. The ratio is equal. We can say this sin theta into Q is equals to P into cos theta. Okay? So this is the method. This is a simple method by which we have used this, or we have some more methods by using that identity. Okay? So that will also can do, but now just focus on these things. Okay? So everybody understood? Any confusion you can ask. And yes, your name? Fatima. This is your first class offline or have you attended? First class. So if you have any doubt, you can ask freely. Okay. So write down these questions. There are some very good questions here. Huh? Right triangle. This is the condition only for the right triangle. Okay. So write it down, or any doubts you may ask. Which one? Cot. COT cot. No. Sometime it may come, but not. Show me then. Which solution you are talking about? Show me one. We'll see this also.
This also 22 also it came out.
22 have solved.
21 solved by this method.
21, show me 21.
Coming
Tan theta equals to this. Sin by cos. Sin is P by Q.
this one tuition hasn't taught me, so this
Okay, no problem. I will also see that. Sin theta is P and cos theta is Q.
on comparing. Because this you told no, if LCM would be same, then at 10 is equal to 3x it will give.
Okay,
So
let's see.
right.
So P into P and Q into Q is equals to here. How this is also coming.
Like this also we have already same answer is coming. From the other. This you told no, 2 by 3 is equal to x by 5. If LCM would be same no, then without multiply also at this 15 is equal to 15, 10 is equal to 3x, and if you cross multiply also na 5 into 2,
If
it would be same.
this condition is there when this is
And
same.
this is the comparing.
Comparing it. Okay. No, like suppose 2 by 3 and equals to x by 5. So directly we can't. How we can say that? No? If these are same, no? Denominator is same, then we can see this according to this. So we are finding its equivalent fraction. So 2 by 15, then this will be 3x by 15. Now these.
Then we can, but like this here will be the same answer.
Okay, so we can do this. Okay, completed this? Yes. Shall I erase this? Okay, so now see next question. See question number 22. F3 cot theta is equals to 4. Then find the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Okay, so see here what you will do. Yes, Sad. Amra, what we will do? What is the first step? Yes, simple. Write cot theta is equals to 4 by 3. Now, this is your triangle. Okay. So cot theta is B upon P, base upon perpendicular. So according to this is base upon perpendicular. So base is 4 and perpendicular is 3. So you will find this side. It will be 5. So now put these values. First find sin theta, then cos theta. Sin theta is P by H. Okay. So here 3 by 5 and cos theta is B by H 4 by 5. Now put these values. So 5 into sin theta is 3 by 5 minus 3 into cos theta is 4 by 5. Divide by 5 into 3 by 5 plus 3 into 4 by 5. Solve this 5 cancel out. Okay. So it will be 3 minus 12 by 5 divided by this 5 cancel out. 3 plus 12 by 5, right? So we will